Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this 2008 SUV in the Allure specification. So it comes in ultimate red paint and features 17-inch alloy wheels, reverse parking sensors and tinted rear windows. You also get Peugeot's grip control. Now this gives you optimised grip in different conditions such as snow, mud and sand. The engine on this car is a 1.2 litre PureTech engine with 110 horsepower. And some of the other features of this car include a 7-inch touchscreen that comes with DAB digital radio, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and Bluetooth connectivity. There's also dual zone air conditioning and cruise control. So let's have a look around. If this car is of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Taunton. Thank you.